In this video we will talk about the ultimate facial sauna. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. One of the great benefits of sauna and steam baths are the toning effects on the skin. They leave the skin soft, supple and glowing, in short, beautiful. Regular users of sauna and steam baths have an appealing healthy glow about them that adds to their attractiveness. The reason that sauna and steam are so good for the skin is the deep cleaning action caused by heavy perspiration. The pores open wide and all the accumulated dirt can be easily washed out. The best benefits for skin toning come from full-body sauna, but for those looking for a quick fix-up to their complexion can get similar results from facial sauna systems. These mini saunas are designed to apply steam to the face for the same deep cleaning action as a full sauna or steam bath. How they work. A facial sauna has an electric heating element on the bottom of the unit. It heats the water, which is held in a small reservoir, to the boiling point, causing the steam to rise. The small size of the reservoir ensures that steam is quickly produced. An ergonomically designed mask is placed over the reservoir to capture and funnel the steam to your face. You can control the amount of steam that your face is exposed to by the distance of the mask to your face. Bringing your face into direct contact with the mask gives the maximum deep cleaning action, but this position should only be used for a few moments at a time. After about 10 seconds, raise your head to allow cooler air to be mixed with steam. Repeat this cycle as many times as needed. Facial saunas are not only for deep cleansing the skin, they are also useful for unclogging stuffed sinuses. Anyone with a simple cold or a more serious condition like bronchitis, sinusitis, asthma and hay fever can use the facial sauna as an inhaler or vaporizer. Some facial saunas have a separate inhaler attachment. Instead of fitting over the entire face, the inhaler attachment fits over the nose and mouth. Simply breathe in the steam to provide almost instant relief from sinus pain. Operating tips. Most facial saunas have a very small reservoir so that the water can heat up fast. The downside of this is that the water evaporates quickly, so if you wish to use the sauna for an extended session, you should keep a tall glass of water by your side. This way, you can quickly refill the reservoir when it goes dry. The small reservoir, unfortunately, also means that the facial sauna cannot be used as an overnight vaporizer. If your sinuses are keeping you awake at night, you would be better off with a traditional vaporizer that provides steam for several hours. Steam is great for deep cleaning the skin, but for an additional beauty treatment you can add special cleaners such as tea tree oil to the water. Just a few drops of this oil will give your skin an even brighter glow and leave it feeling fresh and supple. Facial saunas are relatively inexpensive, usually less than $60. For this price, almost everybody can enjoy the deep cleaning action and the special glowing skin that marks regular sauna users apart from the crowd. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.